My campaign takes an innovative and eco-friendly approach to education and sustainability. With the help of my fellow volunteers and my coordinator, we taught 468 brownies how to make pencil cases by recycling bottles and cloths. This activity not only taught the brownies the importance of reuse and recycling, but also encouraged creativity and resourcefulness.
Why did you choose brownies?
I chose them because they should be aware that even if they are children, they already have a huge responsibility towards the protection of the environment. Alongside with the recycling session, in collaboration with the UN, we also had a session on SDGs. Through discussion and games, the session empowered the brownies to become active changemakers within their communities. Creativity, sustainability, and education. Let's make this world greener for our future generation.